So much butter in my life.
There's another butter?
No.
There's 3 butter now.
Okay, that's
That's I have to find 7 butter. 1 to every week, you know. Go. So. Water. Okay. Like, you know, you need water.
Are you gonna stand here? Are you gonna help?
Not helping mom. Look at mom to make them.
Why did you put that? Because the air, it's like.
Unconditionally.
But you listen to the same song every time.
Yeah. I'm gonna listen to it until I get bored.
Are you sure that you can see what I'm doing in the video?
Not really, but I can see us.
You can hide this.
Wow, look at this.
I love you.
Where's the pasta? You can't do pasta.
I'm gonna make pasta for like 5 people.
Okay.
Yeah. Look!
You broke the
Oh, she brought the pasta. She is not your Italian. She did not know you.
So that's my secret. Broke the pasta. You
I was looking for this. No,
Okay,
no.
okay. What's up?
It's okay. Mommy's on independent girl. I can do it.
That's okay.
Cheers.
Gotta show everything. Look, this is only for you because when I was looking at this, I was like, no, you don't touch this.
So you don't have to. You can't get spicy. You don't have to.
Yeah, I want to.
And you can't eat it.
Well, I'm gonna eat my set pasta. Don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna wash this first. What is good? This one is waiting to be. How many
Oh my god, less than 24 hours. Now it's less than 12 hours. Yeah, it's less than 12 hours.
Oh yeah.
Mom, if I touch this, it's like French fries when I here. No. I'm afraid.
Can you like that?
No.
Can I do this, please?
No, I
Thank
can't.
you.
It's so, no. But I can't get like the green one.
Yeah.
Not the red one.
I'm not trying to like that. I just want you know what? Julie, I like is she good?
I'm not gonna drink coffee because I'm not sick. So, I'm just gonna be a baby time. I'm gonna drink coffee.
You don't have baby sex.
I like this video with like. Do you need help? Well, actually, I do.
What should I do?
Nothing.
Oh, this one, okay? You want me to cut this one? I can't.
I want to do it.
I can't.
I need to learn how to cook.
You can't cook? Why are you making pasta?
What should I do? Nothing. Shut up.
What should I do? Give me something to do.
Just make sure that in the video you can say everything. You can see everything.
Oh, you need the chicken.
No.
Why?
Well,
Why you don't eat chicken?
because there's no chicken in this pasta.
Can we add it?
You can't eat it. Oh, your chicken.
Yeah. This is my last chicken before tomorrow.
Give me a chicken.
I already cooked it.
So I don't need to feed you.
Yeah. But it's cooked chicken. Cooked chicken. I'll add it.
It's gonna be spicy. Like very spicy, I think.
We're very spicy.
In my opinion, I don't know in your opinion. Can you see what's happening in the video?
Yeah, you cut something behind this wall. Should we move it to this side? No, they can see you cut something. And look at Bhumika's always on the phone 24/7.
Because she had to find her husband, Mom.
Yes, indeed, she is. She is my husband. Oh,
So I remember a recipe that if I put out like this, it's like less spicy, but not like spicy. So I don't eat it.
of course. Why do you have to put the little bit of
What?
this little, what is this called? British fat mix. What is this?
British? What is this?
White seed? What is this?
See, let me wash my hand because it's burning. Also.
Seed. Like, it's chili seeds. Can we call it sprinkle? Sprinkle. It's not sprinkle.
Can you open this?
Yeah.
Thank you. Then salt for the pasta. Because the water is almost boiling. You put what? Salt? Yeah, you need to put salt in the water for the pasta. What?
I'm happy now.
No, this one, it's fine.
Oh, this one's garlic, yeah?
Yeah. I mean, no, open it.
No, the onion.
Ah.
How do you open the garlic?
You cut it.
Yeah, because
Press it. Open the garlic. Yeah, he just wait.
I thought this is not how you open it. You have to press it with the knife.
Yeah, no, that's it.
Really?
Yeah. So you don't have to peel it off like that one.
Genius.
Will,
You could kill it so long.
the wrong yeah.
That should be free. Thank you, Molly. Thank you.
I look old. I don't think it's Kevin, but
You got me mad all the
because you were fucking 19.
And so I'm not
I'm like I'm 27. Everyone probably like think that I'm have kids. 27.
Bro, my sister, she's 30, she's gonna turn 31 and she doesn't have even a boyfriend. She doesn't have even a boyfriend. So she has
Maybe she has now.
No.
She told me yesterday she has.
no, she doesn't have
She got it in a car, so I don't want it. My auntie, she has a one yet. I think
I'm like I don't even have one now.
What?
I thought we get married at 25. Look at me.
Well, you have to go to Stanford.
Yeah.
So that I can buy husband.
Look. She's
Bro, I just did not boyfriend.
You wanted to buy a husband. I
Yeah.
can't get one. Because I can't get one. I need to buy it.
Yeah, let's find a husband for everyone.
Oh,
Are you sharing with us?
No, of course not. It's cheating. Of course not. Who's gonna share? Who's gonna share? Are you gonna share Byron? You ask.
Yeah.
Byron, Ilaria wants to share you.
Need to say that the good things have to be shared.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean my husband is not.
So I'm kidding.
I can't even imagine it. Like sharing your husband with someone else.
But is that?
It's not allowed.
No, but
in every religion, I don't know.
Muslim can have more than one woman. You told me that.
Yeah, I mean like why? But you can't share your husband.
Yeah, I was kidding. So.
But that can be said.
But we can share that.
If you share your husband, if your husband has like 2-3 wives.
Yeah, I mean, said you're sharing. That's what I was telling
No, I'm not. That's why I told you. I can't do that. If you, as my husband, one, two, has like more than one wife, then get the hell out of here. I'm not gonna do it.
Say, but I'm gonna buy one if you want. Oh my husband. No.
I'm not gonna send her black magic.
What? I don't send it to the front guy. Can you get that?
I already got something to do. Who's doing that in my back? Like, I'm gonna look at the letter.
Yeah. Find someone in Indonesia that can.
Why you
Because I have many people to trip.
Oh, yes. Yep. Hey, our list. Send it to me. Our top 10 list.
I never told you about that.
What?
In my 18th birthday,
Yeah.
I was.
Oh, yeah, it's all right now. Oh, yeah.
She doesn't even try to check.
Just realized that I can do this. It's way easier.
So what is it?
You know, it's way more. Where's your one?
We're gonna oh,
Is that yours?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so then. Tally on. This video is gonna be so good. Oh shit. And you put a lot of oil?
Why do you need a lot? I mean, like,
Because it's pasta aglio and oglio. This is oglio.
no, it is not aglio, it's aglio. We are making aglio olive.
Oh yeah, I need to show this. See? Can you see that? I did it.
So you have to wait until the oil is like
No, it's okay. I don't have to burn it. I just have to. I don't know because I don't know how to do it. My body is
no, you don't have to. You don't use the fork.
good, man.
Yeah.
So good.
When you put the chicken.
It's not supposed to put the chicken, so I don't know. But we can put it like later because it's already cooked, so I need to get it. Anyway. I think it's gonna be good.
I can't be too bad.
Are you gonna put like some salt in it? Is it?
That's already something.
I think I'll put any. I don't know.
What should I do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Let me check the recipe. What the fuck? Telephone.
This get burnt.
No.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Look careful, yeah.
No, I don't have to put anything, man. Don't do it.
You are Italian. Why would I ask? Why did you get confused? You eat pasta every single day.
But I don't eat this pasta. I'm cooking myself pasta every day because I don't want to do it.
Should we drink something? Yeah.
Yeah, wine.
No way. You're crazy.
Look, I made pasta for 10 people. I'm gonna put the chicken even if it's not in the recipe.
Yeah, just put all.
Oh, that's a lot.
I don't need it. I mean, I'm going tomorrow morning.
Thank you. Give it us.
So sorry.
That guy's not texting me. I don't.
So you should text him.
No, I'm like. I have to go back to Indonesia. My dad is not here.
Oh my god, I just cut up all the pasta. Pretty sure. Put it the. Now I'll show you the Italian way. You have to see if the pasta is ready. Okay. So you just take the spaghetti like that, and then you mix it.
What Italian? Wait, is it normal way?
No, for me, we just press on pasta to make it soft enough.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Wait, you want to?
Yeah, just put it in a plate. Wait, wait.
I don't know. Yeah.
Really on the inside.
I'm gonna make pasta again. Now it's your turn. You have to taste it. It's burning.
Oh yeah.
Is it ready?
Mhm.
No, it is not.
No.
Ready. Let me see. Now you have to tell me how many minutes.
We're gonna need like 2 more minutes.
What is ready?
Ready? This one's ready.
Monica? What do you think?
It's ready. Little people throw it on the board and if you
Told me that.
that's totally that. I think so. And if it stinks, it's dead. And just leave it hanging up there.
That's the way Italian goes. If the pasta's cooked.
Shut up. Shut up, so. They're gonna kill you. I don't know if the chicken is okay, but it's too late.
It's just like a chili and garlic.
And boil.
It has to be cooked.
Let's eat now.
I don't know if the chicken is like, it's not part of the recipe, but we did it. So it should be fine. But you added more oil.
Why?
I think I need to add more oil.
I think there is like a black pepper. Should I
It's hot.
Like, I'm gonna pasta. Anyway, it's Asian pasta, yeah? You have the small one?
I have the brown. I think I have the.
I couldn't know sure about the recipe. I was looking at the recipe on the internet, but then you told me, put the chicken. I'm like, yeah, and it's done, so why not the pasta?
You're not consistent. You have to be consistent with your own recipe.
Shut up, so.
No, I don't want to shut up.
You just told me to do that, and now you're gonna complain about it? Look at this pasta here, it's not accurate. It's something else. And I'm gonna use my set pasta back and I
Don't
don't
try it. It's fine. Take the chili out.
Yeah, I think it's not that spicy.
You fucking kidding?
It's not spicy. It's not spicy. Yeah. It's not that spicy. It's not chili out.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. You are really good.
Like, this is not nice stuff.
Wait, it's really nice.
Wait. Wait. No, I can't do the dish.
Can you see it? This one is aglio olio, yeah?
No, it's not anymore.
It's aglio olio made by our Italian chef, Ilaria.
With the vibe of
Sienna.
doing it to as well.